Look, Liza. Green Budgie's got a Valentine's.
Yeah.
Valentine's Day for the Green Budgie. What are you doing?
Kissing. Oh my god.
Happy Valentine's Day, Green Budgie.
Yeah.
In a happy mood.
Kissing. Oh my god. The kissing. Why do I love kissing? Maybe excessive kissing.
The Green Budgie. Yes, in a mood. Valentine's Day for the Green Budgie. You gotta come back.
Soon the Budgie's gonna get married.
You're gonna have to make invites.
Yes, that's Daddy is gonna write some print things out for the Budgie. And I have to have Budgies on them.
Look, the blue budgie's not too happy about the green budgie attention. Happy Valentine's Day, budgie. What did you buy for the blue budgie? Some seed.
Oh yeah, good.
He always makes that noise when he lands on my arm. Happy Valentine's Day. Lie back.
The strawberry.
Yeah. You gone?
Oh my god. Take the blue one to hospital.
You gone? Go behind the TV.
Yeah. Take me to hospital.
Come on. I think the blue one wants to go back in. So he goes, Yeah, I didn't want to go. Happy to see you, Budgie. If I hold the budgie in my hand, he's gonna give it a nice Valentine's. I can do it with the camera. Yeah. Okay. Budgie Valentines, eh? Budgie Valentines, eh? Yeah, green one's having fun. Go back. Go. Oh, he's not going back. Go. What are you doing? Not holding the blue budgie, just stopping it from. Go back. Green one's not budging. Having his Valentine's Day, eh? Valentine's Day fun. Come to daddy. Come to daddy, budgie. What are you doing? Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Hey. Here we go. Come to daddy. You been having a bath? Who's been having a bath? I bet they both had a bath. Yeah, I can see the water splashed everywhere. Yeah, the blue one definitely had the bath. Flying around, budgies like to fly around. This is why you should never clip the budgies' wings. They love flying around. We would never clip. Oh, we did. Okay, sometimes it's okay. Yeah, before summer, you should clip their wings because you open the windows and doors. Just clip them a little bit, just in case. So if they fly out, you got a chance of getting them before they go disappearing off into the sky. They don't know, they get spooked, they go out, they go flying. Before you know it, they're on the tree over there. Well, no chance of getting anywhere. If you clip wings, it might just get to that tree there. So you can actually go and get it.